Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first we should open the control panel and find here scan QR code icon. Just tap on this icon and after that you should just place your QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Wait a second and now we could open the link directly or to copy it to just share with someone. Let's just tap the open link. Be sure that you are connected to the internet, and after that you'll see. Let's just try once again. Scan QR code, wait a second, tap the open link, and we got here our QR code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.